Good morning, all of you. We will continue with the grammar topic, the future tenses. And we already had a look at simple future tense and future continuous tense, their structure, and we have done exercise A and exercise B. Now let's move on to exercise C. Page number 69 in your books. Page 69. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fine. Let's continue. First one. Give in this particular exercise what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with either the simple future or future continuous. So either simple future or future continuous form of the verb. First one. Give your coat to me. I hang it on the hook.
Ma'am, I will hang.
Yes,
I will hang it. Ma'am, I will hang.
Okay,
I
yes,
will hang.
correct. I will hang. Second, don't call her now. She have her dinner.
She will be having her dinner.
Yes, will be having. Will be having. She will be having her dinner. Number 3, they charge for the repairs.
Ma'am, they will charge. They will
Yes,
charge.
that is correct.
Ma'am, they will charge.
Will charge. Number 4, the jeans stretch after some time.
Ma'am, the jeans will stretch. Will stretch.
Okay, yes,
Jeans
correct.
will
Jeans
stretch.
will stretch. The jeans will stretch after some time. Next, grandma knit a sweater for me next week.
Ma'am, grandma will knit a sweater for me. Ma'am, will be knitting.
Will be knitting.
Ma'am, will be knitting.
Yes, that is correct. Will be knitting. Alright. 6, behave yourself or father scold you.
Ma'am, father will scold you.
Okay.
Ma'am will scold. Ma'am will scold you.
Will scold. Number 7. On the beach tomorrow, the children dash in the sand.
Ma'am will be playing. Ma'am will be playing. Will be playing.
Children
Some children will be playing.
will be playing. Yes,
Ma'am
correct.
will be playing.
Will be playing. Number 8. At this time tomorrow, I leave for Prague.
Ma'am will arrive. Ma'am will be arriving.
Arrive.
Ma'am will
Sorry,
arrive.
I read the
Ma'am
wrong
will
sentence.
arrive.
8th one. The train arrive at platform 2.
Ma'am will arrive. Ma'am will arrive.
Okay.
Ma'am will arrive.
Yes, correct. Will be arriving. Will be arriving. Okay, next one. Number 9. At this time tomorrow, I leave for Prague.
Ma'am will be leaving. I will be leaving.
Yes?
Ma'am will be. Ma'am I will be leaving.
I will be.
Leaving.
I will be leaving.
Ma'am
Yes, correct.
leaving.
I will be leaving. Number 10. Don't call me at 10 o'clock. I fly to New York.
Ma'am will be flying. I will be
Yes,
flying.
yes, that is correct. Will be flying.
will be working in the garden.
Yes, will be working. I will be working. Number 12. Do you think it snow tomorrow?
Ma'am, it will snow tomorrow.
It will snow.
Yes.
Ma'am, will snow.
Will snow. Number 13. This time on Saturday, we ski in Oli.
We will
Ma'am, we will be skiing.
We will be skiing.
Yes.
Ma'am, will be skiing.
And will be skiing.
Will be skiing. Yes, correct. Double I. Skiing. Okay. Then 14th. Next year, I study maths at university.
Ma'am, I will
Ma'am,
study.
will be
I
studying.
Ma'am, I will study.
Studying
I. Yes,
Ma'am, I will study.
I will be
Ma'am,
studying.
studying.
Ma'am, I will study.
I will be studying. Okay. So this completes exercise C. Let's move on. Have you written this? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
So we move on with the future perfect tense. Now where do we use the future perfect tense? So we use the future perfect tense to talk about a completed action that will be completed before a given moment in the future. So why we use it? To talk about a completed action means in a given time in the future we want to talk about a completed action at a particular time in the future, like they will have cleaned out the apartment before they hand us the key, or by the time we reach, mother will have cooked dinner for us. So you are talking about a moment in the future. What is the moment in the future? That by the time we reach, a completed action that will be completed. So a completed action, what is the completed action? That mother will have cooked dinner. So mother will have cooked dinner by that time. Alright, now what is the structure of the future perfect tense? So we have the subject plus will plus have plus the past participle. Now the past participle is also called as the third form of the verb. Okay, so what do we have? The subject will plus have plus past participle, which is the third form of the verb. Now what does that, what it means is that the verbs which end in ed, d, en, t or n. So the verbs which end in ed, d, en, t or n, these are the, this is what is past participle. You know, when we were doing studying this on Saturday, we studied about the second form of the verb. First form is the simple form of the verb, right? Second form is the ing form of the verb, which is called as the present participle. And the third form is the past participle. Okay, the past participle of which is also known as the third form of the verb. And how to make out these verbs end in ed, d, en, t or n. Let's have a look at the structure. I will have eaten. I subject. I plus will plus have plus the past participle ending in so eaten ending in en. Understood? Alright, so that is the positive. Negative would be I will not have eaten. Interrogative, will have I eaten. Then another structure could be uh, we or they will have eaten, they will not have eaten, and will they have eaten. So that is the future perfect tense. Now we look at the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense. Alright. So, where do we use this? The future perfect continuous tense. So, we use it to talk about an action that will begin at a definite, a specific time in the future. It will continue because it is continuous. So, it will continue up to that moment, and even at that moment, it will be in continuation. Action that will begin at a particular time. So, future, in future, at a particular time, the action will begin. It will be in continuation, and even at the time, at the moment, it will still be in continuation. See the example. By 2021, Sunil will have been staying in hospital for 10 years. Alright, so a certain time, or let's make it 22. are made. This is the positive. Then negative will be you will not have been playing. Then will you have been playing? So this is the structure of the future perfect continuous tenses. Alright. So do we have any time? No. Your class gets over at 10:50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So that means we don't have any time to do exercises because exercise D, if you see, for each of these following sentences you have to give both their future perfect as well as future perfect continuous tenses. So that will really take time because for each of these 15 sentences we will need to write both two sentences for each one of them. So it will take time and we won't be able to finish it today. So we'll stop here for today.